Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the wallpaper file is high enough resolution for your display, because a small image scaled up causes pixelation. Once done, open Settings, go to Personalization, then Background. Select the original high-quality file rather than a compressed copy. Make sure you pick an appropriate fit option like Fill or Fit so Windows doesn't stretch a low-res image. You're taking control of the source and initial placement to prevent scaling artifacts from the outset. Next, focus on how Windows renders the image. Open System Display and confirm the resolution is set to your monitor's native value, because incorrect resolution forces interpolation and blurs the wallpaper. Make sure Scale and Layout use the recommended percentage. Custom scaling can soften edges. Update the GPU driver from Device Manager or your graphics utility to ensure the compositor handles images correctly. Once done, reboot or sign out so the display driver and shell Finally, apply the chosen wallpaper and refresh the desktop by restarting Windows Explorer or signing out and back so the change takes effect cleanly. Try a different high-resolution image or PNG to rule out file compression issues, and confirm cables and monitor settings aren't downscaling the signal. If pixelation persists, disable the slideshow option, reinstall or roll back the GPU driver, and check the display cable and monitor input. This troubleshooting step usually reveals whether it's software or hardware causing the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.